So basically the question is how we can modify the http proxy.go file and locate the code and add our own code for locating the referral header into the website response, and change that particular response or request, and change that particular logic to something else to modify the value or doing anything. So here I have my Evilginx source code. Inside a core folder, I will find the file with the name http-proxy.go. Inside http-proxy.go, somewhere there is a code which is responsible for header handling. Okay, so we need to basically locate that particular code, and then we need to modify that particular code. Okay, great. But before doing modification, we need to make a decision where we want to modify. So previously I said you can modify in the response header or request header, but I just realized that the referral header will contain into the request header, not the response header. Okay, so how exactly we can modify that? First of all, we need to locate where exactly that particular logic is being handled. So what you can do is you can say control F and on response. Okay, that's the on request, that's the what you need to search for. So can you see p.proxy.request? Okay, so that's basically function which is responsible for holding the all of the code or all of the logic which is responsible for doing manipulations in the request. So can you see right here, handle the proxy header? So basically it is locating x forwarded for x a real IP, x client IP, all of these headers it is locating and removing those headers one by one or modifying those headers one by one. So basically we need to add our code right here. Okay, so how exactly you can code? So there is a one simple way. You can just copy this particular code part of the code, give it to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, I need to locate the request in which X forwarded for header is there, and then we need to do the whatever the logic I want to do. I'm going to just add the comment right here, and I'm going to say check for the request with header, referral header, and modify header value to xxx. Okay, here let me just copy the whole. Okay, something like this. Okay, okay, I'll say this and I will hit enter button, and now it should automatically check for the comment and it should automatically write the code for. So right now it is not giving me exactly code, but it is giving me some sorts of additional code which is not needed. So we are just going to ignore that particular code. Okay. So what is the code that we needed? Can you see? It is basically checking for the referral header. Can you see right here is the logic? So we are going to use only this particular part of the code. So let me just go here and paste that particular code right here. Let me add the indentation. So it is basically checking request.header.get referral. If the referral header is present, that means if the referral is present, not equal to empty, that means present. Then what we will do, fmt print that particular referral header, which is original referral header, and it will say request.header.set referral value to the xsx. Okay, so here you can add your own value, and basically once you do all of this, you need to save the code, exit from this one and type go build. Okay, and that will create the binary for the whatever the modified source code is, and this is exactly you can add the referral header. Okay, so go build is completely completed without any error, so that means it's a win-win.